Hello, and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to create a text shortcut on your iPad. When composing an email or a text message or taking notes, you might find it helpful to create some text shortcuts on your iPad to insert into an email or text message. It can be easily done in your settings. Let's start by tapping the settings icon. If it's not already selected, tap General. When you get to General, you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap Keyboard. You might find that there are a few already pre-programmed onto your iPad, and I've already created several on mine. Let's create a new one. At the bottom, you're going to tap Add New Shortcut. Now we're going to type in a frequently used phrase in the top section. Some commonly used phrases for a text shortcut might be, please see attached and let me know if you have any questions. Please call me on my cell phone and give your cell phone number. Thank you for your business. I'm in a meeting. We'll call you back later. For your information. I thought you might find this helpful. My mailing address is, and put the mailing address of your business. Let's use, I thought you might find this helpful. I'm just going to type the phrase in. Make sure to use capitalization and punctuation when you type in your phrase. And then you're going to tap in the shortcut field. Now we're going to put in an acronym or a couple letters to represent this phrase when we type it. Take care to select an acronym that's not close to an actual word that could be in your iPad dictionary. So for this one, I'm going to put TYMF for thought you might find. So let's do TYMF. And when you've typed in the phrase in the shortcut, tap Save. And I'm going to press my Home button and go back to my main screen. I'm going to open up an email. And in the body of the email message, I'm going to type in TYMF for thought you might find. And you can see that the iPad uses the autocorrect function to display the phrase that you typed. And if I hit the spacebar, it's going to insert that phrase. Creating text shortcuts can definitely help save you time when working with your iPad. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.